Okay, let's look at how we will set up for somebody that have typical knee issues. I'm just gonna use one of my blades here. Don't worry about the actual distance, that's why I'm not having that view, but look, pay attention where my foot turn is. It's almost like a single plane, and if you notice, I was able to actually keep the alignment properly. Now, when we're dealing with knee issues like severe arthritis or anything of that sort, we're wanting to take a look at where the foot turns, and it actually presets you, right? For success as far as having a consistent, repeatable strike and impact so your balls keep going straight. Now, next, we're going to take a look at this. Now, notice how I turn both feet in the same direction. Now, the reason why I do that is because I do not want to create too much of a backswing, and this is ideal for folks that are struggling to keep their golf posture, primarily because they're dealing with some sort of spine issue. Typically it's like L3, L4, stenosis, and even my folks that are struggling with hip bursitis, they benefit very much from that. Now we're gonna take a look with my blade here. I'm gonna show you guys again one more time using a modified single plane setup. Notice how the blade is behind, the foot is turned, right? And my arms are a little bit ahead of me. And again, look where my feet are, and my alignment of my body once again is knee, hips, and shoulder. And this is one thing that with the program, within 5 to 6 sessions, we want to be able to really eliminate and find that ease of golf swing so it becomes effortless. Again, we're using your mechanical advantage so you can find a repeatable strike and able to just focus on the skill, not the mechanics of it. Once we're able to reprogram and retrain your muscles so you can be efficient without causing you more pain or discomfort, then we can just work on the skills and just keep working on yards.